Can an under $50 camera actually protect your home? If you've been hunting for a budget-friendly indoor camera that doesn't feel like a toy, the Eufy Indoor Cam E220 might just be your next obsession. In today's video, we're unboxing it, powering it up, and taking a first look at what you actually get for your money. Spoiler, it's not junk. Here's what you get inside the box: the camera, power adapter, cable, mounting bracket and screw pack, and a quick start guide. The camera itself is compact, sleek, and very white. The pan and tilt dome design kind of makes it look like a tiny Wall-E head on a lazy Susan. Build quality, better than expected. Doesn't feel like cheap plastic. No SD card included, by the way. You'll need to pop in your own Class D micro SD up to 120 gigs for local storage. Now let's talk setup. This is where things can either be plug and play or minor nightmare. Thankfully, Eufy leans toward the first. First, plug in the camera using the included USB cable and adapter. The LED will blink red and blue when it's ready to pair. Next, fire up the Eufy security app. Create or log into your account and tap Add Device. Select Indoor Cam E220 and follow the prompts. It'll scan for a QR code to pair. Once it's paired, you can adjust settings like motion detection sensitivity or AI noise alerts. And just note, it only works on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So that's the Eufy Indoor Cam E220 unboxed and powered on. Simple, clean, and so far, pretty impressive. And hey, if you've already tried this camera, drop your thoughts in the comments. Real user feedback always beats glossy marketing. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this.